Why, may I talk to them, may I talk to them. May I tell you, say, you want PG there. Him to get all the blame to call me and tell you, say, him ain't get the chance, brother. Sure. I don't want to tell you about no road scholar, no this and that. Brother, they think they don't really have no value in the time, in these time and in this age, bro. A survival, bro. In this time and this age, bro. I don't want to tell you who was a road scholar, who was a this or who was a that. You is a motherfucker. Cause you are the one that set all the rule where prime ministers to get salaries even after they leave office. Yes, I'm not saying to get a compensation. But brother, I want to take this thing to a next level, brother. Like, bro, you know good as no great in our system, bro. You know good as pilferers, brother. When all it does circles. When all the year come and everything settle, brother, you go good on as some of the worst things upon the land, brother. Because you're still alive. And you still not do nothing. And you still a suck from the country. What you go do? You got to agree for the whole of your money? Brother, you need to do better. With all what you do, you don't know, say, that's a human being done. You got to give them a world and they still want more. Yeah, you be like, year 2000. What else you do? A whole heap of things you do, you build a whole heap of school in our country, you do the Operation Pride. A whole heap of things you do, bro. A whole heap of things you do, brother, but guess what? There is still room for more. We need more. See, this is one who didn't know, him not do nothing. The worst thing this ever come in our place. Him not do nothing. Sure. You and Bruce, brother. Sure. I tell you. Everybody wanna say money is power. Yes, money is power, but when you apply with knowledge, money is what? Greater power. So we need to use the money as a tool to advance the place and to stop stockpiling money. Wanna go do with it? When the grandparents them fine in a life, when the great grandparents them fine, when the generation set, when the legacy set in a way where we don't need all these numbers, we don't need it, we don't need it. So people that survive who live more than who live with less. We need to do more. We blessed, we gifted by the Almighty. We need to do more. We are vanguards of the nation. We need to look upon the country from above and do what is right. We need to do what is right. That is just it. We know what is wrong and we know what is right. We just need to do the right for the place. Uplift the place. We need to get rid of this guy who currently in our place right now. We need to get him out. Because it's no good for your place. You see who him align himself with. He align himself with the worst of the worst. With the scourge of the earth. Yeah. People who just need to erase off the face of earth. Because all they do is create destruction. And then just displace people and then just destroy. Like, we need to get rid of some of them people here. I'm gonna tell you, say, drone wars, you know. Drone wars. Man, say drone wars, take the thing to our next level. Where we not have to expend so much human capital. A drone precise and accurate. And guess what? Very effective. And that will get them. No matter how they hide, no matter where they go, they will be found. And the effect will be made. Yeah. Just a matter of time. Yeah, man. Give him a red nose and paint him face, man. Because he's a damn clown. Yeah, man. You have people instruct him and direct him on how he operate the country because of his past deeds and information that people have upon him because of his dirty ways and his dirty lifestyle. I'm not going to say that we're perfect. But brother, you need to just leave the place, bro. Just leave the country and let's go on next place overall, man. And let's get some eat for you, bro. You just need to leave out our place, brother. Because you have people that instruct you and direct you like the puppet you are. You're weak. You're powerless. And you just project yourself on the people them like you is somebody, bro. We can't see right through you, brother. You is a nothing. You is a nobody. And just a matter of time, brother. You're just a ticking. Any moment now. Yeah.